the snoring is quite. The snoring is funny.
I'm telling y'all
the snoring is funny because people be like, "Damn, this nigga's really snoring." Whole time I'm really like dying,
Fighting for his fucking life.
Like I'm really dying. Like
when I tell you, I'll be scared.
like
I'll be terrified because he'll be good snoring, great. The next thing you know, you hear no noise.
Yeah.
Hello.
You either waking up to Jesus or breakfast.
yo.
You don't know. It's like
be having to do one of these.
you do one of these shits. One of these shits.
Yeah.
All right.
Taking a chance today.
Yeah, fuck it.